A lot of developers think AI is just about writing code, but that's just one part of what it does. That's why in this video, I will show you what AI can really do in web development and where most people get it wrong. One thing is sure, AI can write you HTML, CSS, JavaScript in a matter of seconds. You can ask ChatGPT or Copilot to build you a navbar or a slider, and it will deliver it instantly. But see, it gives you a structure that works. But here's the mistakes a lot of developers make. They often copy and paste the result without even understanding the code. If you ask AI to build you a portfolio website, it might generate a clean layout for you. But AI doesn't know your personal brand. It doesn't know your color choice, your content tone. It doesn't know about that because AI is not in your head. It doesn't know what you're thinking of unless you tell it to do certain things. So as a developer, you use AI for the structure. But when it comes to strategy of how it's going to look, that's your own part to contribute. So let AI build the skeleton of the page, but you have to decide the design direction. There are different tools like Figma AI that can turn your hand-drawing sketch into a working user interface. You can literally draw something on a paper, upload it, and you will get a prototype instantly. So that is why it is a very powerful tool. But again, it's only good if you have a good idea. If your sketch is poor, obviously the output of the AI is also going to be poor. So you have to consider that creativity depends on you. Now, this is actually one of the features I like about AI when it comes to web development. If your website isn't working or your JavaScript throws an error, AI can just help you identify the problem in seconds. But here's a mistake a lot of developers make. They often just take the code that the AI fixed and paste it on their project without even checking or reviewing the code. They just use it blindly. Sometimes AI change variable names or remove logic that actually matters on your own project. So always review the fixed code that the AI gives you. Don't just trust it, copy and paste it on your own project blindly. You have to know what the AI changed and review the code, make sure that everything matches before you paste it on your own project. If not, from solving this problem, you're going to create another problem. If you have ever hated writing README files or comment on your code, bro, you're not alone on that. AI can also help you in that. Tools like GitHub Copilot and ChatGPT can summarize what your code does and generate a documentation for that. But again, AI doesn't always explain it correctly. There might be errors. So if your code has a bug, AI might just describe that specific bug as an expected behavior. So you have to always review what it says. Don't just have full confidence in it. Do you know that AI can predict how users will behave on your website? Yes, they can do that. There are AI analytic tools that can predict how users might behave on your website. Like which button they will click, how long they will stay. But all this is based on prediction. So it helps developers make layout decisions faster. But remember, simulations aren't real humans. So AI predictions are based on patterns, not feelings. You still have to get a real user testing to confirm results before you take action. Now, let's talk of things AI still cannot do yet because we don't know what might happen in the future. But as of now, AI still cannot do these things. Number one is AI doesn't understand your user's emotion. If a user clicks on a button on your website, AI doesn't know what the user felt at that moment. Did that behavior discourage him or something happened? Number two, AI can't replace your creativity and testing. No matter what AI can give you, it works based on pattern. But for creativity and testing of things, logic, it all depends on you. Number three is AI can't produce perfect production-ready code. No matter the code that AI gives you, you have to check it because from one or two things, there must be something inside that code. So that is why AI doesn't really feel your user's frustration when a button doesn't work. That's why you, as a human, you are the bridge. So AI is just a shortcut, not a substitution for understanding. If you're interested, we have a free web development newsletter where every week we share tips, tricks, tutorials, resources direct to your email. If you're interested, the link is in the description box or check my bio. And if you really haven't subscribed to Code Dev Academy, you can just click that button and click on the like button, notification button, and follow for more tutorials.